Everyone, today we will study about model organisms. So what is model organism and why it is used? A model organism is a non-human species that is extensively studied to understand particular biological phenomena with the expectation that discoveries made in the model organism will provide insight into the working of other organisms. Model organisms are widely used to research human disease when human experimentation would be unfeasible or unethical. Studying model organism can be informative, but care must be taken when generalizing from one organism to other organism. In researching human disease, model organisms allow for better understanding the disease process without the added risk of harming an actual human. In this process, genomes can be manipulated experimentally. Short life cycle of the organisms are used, which have small genomes which can be easily survive and grow in the lab condition, which are in a small size. Here it is some examples of model organisms which play a vital role in the research field about which we have to study, like Bacteriophage, Escherichia coli, Danio, rerio, musculus, Arabidopsis, thaliana, Drosophila, melanogaster, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Caenorhabditis elegans. These are the names of the model organisms which play a vital role in study about the research in by the scientist. So let's start bacteriophage. What is this? It is a virus which can be easily grow in or on bacteria. That's why it is called bacteriophage. Can be grown in millions of copies. Its growth is fasted. It is easy to culture, store and manipulate genetically. Or in biology, biologist says it is hydrogen atom for the biology. The next one is Escherichia coli. It is again a bacteria which is found inside the intestine of the human. It is a rod shaped bacteria. It is prokaryotic, means its nucleus is not well developed. It is single celled organism, and haploids means the number of chromosome is half and size is also very small. It can easily grow in lab, or we can say E. coli can be easily grow in lab, can be grown into million of copies. Its growth is fasted. It is easy to culture, store and manipulate genetically. Next one is a yeast, that is budding yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Again, it is a yeast cell which is eukaryotic, means it has a well developed nucleus. It is under the fungi kingdom. It is a single cell organism, either may be haploid or diploid, and the mode of reproduction may be sexual or asexual, and it is also small in size. It can be grown in lab easily. Its growth is fastest. It is easy to culture, store and manipulate genetically. These features, that is, it is easy to culture, store and manipulate genetically, play its vital role in scientific research. Next one is Caenorhabditis elegans, that is called C. elegans. It is an worm. Again, it is used in scientific research with no ethical issue. It is eukaryotic. Its nucleus is well developed. It is a belongs to animal kingdom. It is multicellular. It is hermaphrodite. It may reproduce by sexual as well as asexual method. It is small in size and again diploid, means number of chromosome is half. Next one is again the worm. Continue. It can easily grow in lab. Growth is fastest. Its life cycle is very short and a known number of cells is present. And one more thing is here, it is that its skin is translucent or transparent, so without cutting them scientists can study on its development. Its egg can be stored. It lays a large number of eggs. Next one is fruit fly. Does play a very vital role in the scientific research and on genetics also. Its name is Drosophila melanogaster. It is a fruit fly, eukaryotic, belongs to animal kingdom, insect. It is multicellular, sexual reproduction. It lays number of eggs. It can be grown easily and survive in the labs. It requires very short, small space. Life cycle is also short. Genes can be easily manipulated. Next one is zebrafish, that is Danio rerio. It is again a eukaryotic with well developed nucleus, belongs to animal vertebrate. It can be easily grown in lab. It also occupies very less space. Life cycle is short and it is a good development model. Now it is developing a lot. The next one is musculus, that is mouse. From very ancient times, scientists do various type of vaccine experiment on mouse. Its name, scientific name is musculus. Again, it is a eukaryotic. It belongs to animal kingdom. In mammal means they can produce their young ones. It is a good model for human, though it is a small model mammal. It's require very less food and can survive in laboratory condition. Long history as a model in biology and medicine. It is used since very long time. As it is a small mammal, can be easily grown in the lab. A variety of phenotypes can be studied under this, means the physical appearance of the mouse, that is called phenotypes. And now the next one is Arabidopsis thaliana. It is a plant for animal like Drosophila. It is called the Drosophila of the plant kingdom. Again, it is a eukaryotic. It can be grown in pot, the small size, and a large generation can be grown within certain limit of time. It is a dicotyledonous plant. Height is 20 to 25 centimeters, so easily can be grown in pot in a small space. It is easy to grow in lab. Again, it occupies very less space. Life is very short. Crossbreeding is done easily in this plant. Seed can be stored for a long time. So, these all are the model organisms. It is a non-human organism, but research is done on them for the benefit of human. So, you know the importance of models in science. You know the model, most important model organism. You know general characteristics of model organism, and you know the taxonomic representation of each model organism. Thanks.